she wants to take on another client, but she's nervous. She's not sure if she has the skills. I said, whatever questions you have, they'll be in the course. Second part, there's this thing called the confidence competence loop, meaning the more confidence you get, the more competent you are. The more competent you are, the more confidence you have. So when you're ready, don't wait too long, just like waiting to get into QuickBooks. Maybe take on one person just a little bit, like somebody who you know well enough that you feel comfortable, because you'll learn in the process of doing it. You'll learn how to, because when you take on somebody else's books, it's not just their books, but it's how to help them, especially if they've never had QuickBooks set up, how to set it up properly for them to get what they want out of it as far as reports and that kind of thing. But then also communicating. So one of the keys is like saying, okay, this is what we're going to do, and like communicating back and forth. And those things you only learn when you're actually doing it. That's my tip.